How to securely manage MSP tool credentials without using a vault. Centralized credential vaults are often presented as the default solution, but for smaller MSPs, licensing costs and operational overhead don't always justify the investment. In this video, we'll outline how MSPs can securely manage credentials without using a vault. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Core strategies for managing credentials. Instead of plain text files or shared notes, store credential files in BitLocker encrypted folders or encrypted access-controlled shares. Share them via Active Directory with restricted group access, and limit this access strictly to role-based security groups using least privilege principles. Just-in-time access ensures technicians receive credentials only when needed and only for a defined period. Time-limited group membership, automated through PowerShell, dramatically reduces the risk of forgotten or lingering permissions. Credential rotation must also be documented and visible. Ownership, last rotation dates, and expected rotation intervals should be recorded in a central system of record, whether that's structured documentation or a controlled spreadsheet. Finally, secure handling practices are non-negotiable. Credentials should never be hard-coded into scripts. Environment variables, managed identities, and dedicated service accounts should be used wherever possible to limit credential sprawl. Built-in tools that make this possible. BitLocker provides a practical way to encrypt stored credential files using tools already available in Windows environments. While it doesn't scale on its own, it serves as a strong first layer of protection when paired with proper access controls and auditing practices. Active Directory acts as the access control plane. When governed properly, it enables granular permissions, centralized management, PowerShell-driven automation, and policy enforcement workflows. When managed poorly, it becomes a source of orphaned access, so discipline is critical. PowerShell connects everything. It enables automation around access grants, revocation, auditing, and policy enforcement. Used carefully, it provides flexibility without unnecessarily expanding the security stack. Using automation to reduce risk. One of the simplest and most effective automations is temporary access grants. Here's a sample script. This script grants access for a defined window, automatically revokes it, and prevents lingering permissions. Automation can also support compliance by scanning scripts, registries, configurations, and repositories for hard-coded credentials before they become incidents. This significantly reduces human error. Scheduled automation helps enforce credential rotation as well. Whether prompting technicians or rotating supported credentials automatically, scripts reduce reliance on memory and manual tracking. Credential risk doesn't come only from where passwords are stored. It often comes from permanent access, undocumented ownership, and credentials that never rotate. A vaultless approach works when those weaknesses are replaced with controlled access, encryption, accountability, and automation. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to securely manage MSP tool credentials without using a vault, linked in the description below.